Chicken Little.
Chicken Little. You got 30 cows, 28 chickens. How many didn't?
I'm on last and 28 chickens ain't make it. I mean, 2 chickens ain't make it.
2 chickens ain't make it.
2 chickens ain't make it.
Across that road.
It gotta be.
They dead.
Right. Why chickens?
Oh, uneven. Even.
What?
What the fuck? Come on, bro. Help me out. Like, what the fuck?
Oh my gosh. Come on, T.
How many did what?
You can get this, T. Like,
T,
come
what,
on.
T?
I don't feel like thinking about that. I don't know what y'all talking about. Brown chicken, brown chicken.
No, I said you got 30 cows, 28 chickens. How many didn't?
How many kittens?
How many didn't?
2.
Oh.
Pig. Cow to the pig. Is a farm joke or something?
It's simple.
How many didn't?
It's simple.
Yeah.
It's too simple.
It's
Nah,
simple.
nah.
Like,
They didn't what? I'm trying to figure out what they didn't do.
even though it's not simple because
They didn't go back for they 2.
They didn't what?
Right, they ain't say the other 2 chickens. They did some 2 chickens.
Right.
What happened to the other
They
2
savage.
Right, you gotta go back to the other 2
2
chickens.
chickens didn't
And then we
make
can
it.
figure it out. What happened to the other 2 chickens? Why is only 28?
Right.
Why is only 28 chickens? That's what I want to know.
They crazy. Oh, the other chickens killed the other 2 chickens. They ganged up on the 2 chickens. Like, what the fuck? And oh, it was cows versus chickens. And 2 didn't make it. What the fuck?
Oh my gosh.
Nah, I'm trying to get him there.
You gonna tell us?
You got 30 cows, 28 chickens. How many didn't?
Didn't what? Eat or something? What the fuck, bro? What did they do? They did what? How many didn't what? One of their names didn't?
Huh?
One of their names didn't?
Their names?
Yeah.
No, 2 didn't. Pop out some eggs or some shit. 2 chickens so their head got cut off or something.
You talking?
Yeah, you going too far into it. Oh my god. Yeah, they didn't pop out when their heads got cut off.
And they got babies, so they gotta go.
30 cows,
They didn't have that baby.
28 chickens. How many didn't?
Introducing Dunkin's
Didn't what?
perfectly blended with real fruit and low-fat yogurt. It's a delicious choice you can feel good sipping. Discover the
You
goodness
tell
of
me how
Dunkin's
many
instant
did. Shit, I'm trying to figure it out.
Dunkin'.
I mean, did what? What they do though? Like, this is
You.
joke.
No, it's not.
It is, because why then they didn't? What they didn't do?
It's time to say goodbye to the way TV used to be. Introducing Slate. Instantly stream over 20 live channels, including the most popular sports and shows for just $20 a month. Watch now for
Y'all look so sad.
Nah, I don't look sad, but I'm gonna go with the 2 chickens didn't make it.